Hello from Sergio Alvini. This video is going to be really short. I'm going to show you how in just 2 minutes using ChatGPT and Skynet Certik Live to see if Bitnest is really secure. Okay, so you will understand that even if you're not an expert, you can make ChatGPT work inside Skynet Certik. He does the research for you, and he give you the answer. So I'm gonna put the glasses on. Okay, before I start, a quick disclaimer. Before we begin, a quick note: everything I share in this video is for informational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. It is based on my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it is also important to stay informed. Always do your research before making any decision. So here we are on the site live of Skynet Certik project Bitnest. If you don't know, Bitnest is a real ecosystem, so it is constantly controlled and audited by Certik. Okay, now we are going to go inside ChatGPT and we're going to ask a very critical question, inserting the site of Skynet Certik. So ChatGPT goes inside and does the research for you. So the first question is this one: can you review the Bitnest page of Certik Skynet for me and briefly tell me what it reveals? Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's copy. Let's go back here. Let's go in ChatGPT and let's paste the question. Okay, here we go. Let's go and have a look what answer it does. Okay, it says Bitnest has passed audit with no critical issue found and show a good security score. Let me repeat, this is not me. This is ChatGPT that has gone inside the Skynet Certik, which there is all the audit, all the controls, and it says Bitnest has passed the audit with no critical issue found and show a good security score. Okay, let's go on the second question. Now, for certain, can someone empty the account? Are users found safe? This is the $1 million question you should ask, and go research on those smart contract and ecosystem to make sure you can invest. Okay, so and you put always the link. So let's go and paste inside the ChatGPT the question number 2, which is the $1 million question. Okay, let's go. It's gonna start to work. Okay, no. Okay, let me repeat the question. Now, for certain, can someone empty the account? Are users found safe? This means that, can I invest in Bitnest? Okay, it says, if the funds are safe. He answered, no, the contract is not upgradeable and run automatically on the blockchain. Nobody, let me repeat, nobody can run away with the money. Only users control their own wallet. So this is ChatGPT that has go inside the Bitnest Skynet Certik. This is a live page. Let me remind you that Bitnest is not a simple smart contract like you have seen 100. Bitnest is a real ecosystem which is going to have a new blocks attached, okay, with new opportunities. So, for example, today is the 16th of August. If we go here, you see Bitnest. If we go down here, as you can see, the 14 on August has been audited again. Is constantly controlled. You know, you cannot escape here. You cannot. You are secure, secure, secure. So if you click here, you see on the 14, 2 days ago, he has been audited because they are starting to launch their coin, million coin. This is another entry, other earnings for us. Okay. So if you want to work with a professional, if you don't know Bitnest, underneath of every video, this video included, you will have my link to sign up. If you ask an expert, you can link your wallet, sign up, and start earning for you and your family. I remember you that Bitnest been paying non-stop for 2 years and 4 months. Okay, so then you will have the presentation with the video how to get started. Here you have a playlist. You've got maybe 20 videos in English which they tell you everything, which they answer everything, every question, and here you have my contacts. Okay, my friend, if you want to free yourself, you and your family, with a secure smart contract ecosystem that it is not me that is telling you it's secure. ChatGPT went inside the Skynet Certik project, which constantly control the ecosystem, and the answer, you just had the answer that nobody in the world, nobody can steal your fund. Your funds are safe and you can earn passively. Okay? Bye for Sergio. Until next time, have a lovely day.